In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on your Roblox account. As you can see, we're on the home page. We're going to go to more over here, and then we're going to go to settings. From there, we're going to go to security, and you're going to see it's on none. You're going to do email, authenticator, and I'm going to go all the way to authenticator. But before you even get to that step, you have to do the email verification to make sure it's you. I'm going to go get my code real quick and put it in. We're going to click verify. As you can see, now we're at this point where we're able to add the code. So if you want to download any of the authenticators, you can. I'm going to open up Google Authenticator, for example, and in this application, you're going to want to tap on the plus button at the bottom right. You have to allow access to the camera for this application, and then put your phone right up to the screen. And once it registers that, it'll give you a code right there, and you'll type that in, and you'll type that in within Roblox. And as you can see right here, it says these are your backup codes. So if you ever lose your account, you'll be able to use these codes to get right back into your account. Just click and drag, and then you'll do Control-C and then Control-V it inside a notepad or anywhere that's safe. Then click close, and you're 100% good to go. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.